Hey family, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So today we're going to be making turkey pepperoni avocado toast. Now, the reason why I even made this recipe to begin with is because it's kind of a piggyback off my cauliflower crust recipe. When I made that recipe, I used this, uncured turkey pepperoni, and I had a lot of that pepperoni left over and I didn't want to waste it. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I could turn this into avocado toast. You know what you know what I mean? And I did. So it's just an example of like how to use leftovers. Basically, it didn't come out too bad, but it's not a go-to recipe for me. Might be for you. I'm not judging, but yeah, let's get into how to make this recipe. You're gonna need turkey pepperoni slices, one large avocado, and a couple of slices of Italian bread or whatever bread you like, and a bowl to mix everything with, and a fork. This recipe is super simple. We're just going to start by peeling the avocado. Thankfully, this avocado cooperated with me. It's nice and green for the camera. There's a little brown smudge there, but like we don't discriminate around here. So I know I peel avocados weird, but I don't regret it. Yeah, for this kind of recipe, I have a lot of avocado toast recipes on my channel, and there's a lot of, well, I guess there's really only two different avocado types that you could use. You could use like an actual avocado. I usually get mine from Whole Foods, but you can get it from Walmart. I think if you do use a Walmart avocado, they tend to be smaller than the Whole Foods, so I would use like two. And yeah, I think it's actually cheaper if you get it from Walmart, if you use two from Walmart. I don't know why I don't do that. I guess, I don't know. I have my reasons. But I think for this recipe, you could get away with using holy guacamole, which is like these avocado packets, pureed avocado. I like them because, they don't go bad. You can keep them in the fridge for much longer than a regular avocado. As you can see, some of this avocado went bad on me, and it's definitely not the end of the world, but I don't know. I just like freshness. I don't know. So, yeah, this is one of these avocado toast recipes where I feel like it doesn't really matter which avocado type you use, but I definitely always prefer a real avocado, and that's what I had on hand, so that's what I used in this recipe. So without further ado, we're gonna get our pepperoni slices and we're going to chop them up. I feel like this is a necessary step. I was about to say this is optional, but I don't know. The slices aren't particularly, small. I know you can't even see anything, but like, work with me, okay? I'm new to this. But like, the slices weren't particularly small. So if you didn't chop it a little bit beforehand, you might end up with like a whole, pepperoni. You know how it is. So yeah, I like to slice these or chop them a little bit before I mix it. So we're just gonna chop everything that's left in the bag. With this type of recipe, you can really like overdo it on the turkey pepperoni. This turkey pepperoni is very low calorie. If you use real pepperoni, it's gonna be much higher in calories. It's not gonna be the highest quality of meat, and I think it would be more saturated fat for sure, and I won't comment on the whole nitrates thing, because I thought if you bought uncured anything, then it wouldn't have nitrates, but that's just a marketing gimmick. So it is what it is, folks. It is what it is. So yeah, so we're just chopping up the pepperoni and we're gonna mix it pretty soon. Did I not use the whole bag? I think I used the whole bag. Let's see. So I didn't end up using the whole bag. I'm kind of shocked, but it's tough. I mean, it's not a big packet of pepperoni, but there's very few things that I use turkey pepperoni for. So like I was hoping to get rid of it all. But you know, the cauliflower crust recipe and this particular recipe I don't make very often. You know. So anyway, we want to mix it up. I don't really think this needs any salt. The pepperoni has a lot of salt, and real avocados have their own natural salt. If you're using holy guacamole, you might need to add just a sprinkle, just a hint of salt, just a hint. But if you're using a real avocado, you don't need any more salt. Okay. So after mixing, we're going to spread onto our lovely bread. So here I'm using 3 slices of bread and I am toasting 2 of them, but you know, sometimes I like toasted, sometimes I like untoasted, sometimes I like both. So what I decided to do, since I'm using 3 slices, is while the first 2 are toasting, I spread some avocado on the first slice, and I usually eat that while the second 2 are toasting. I don't think I did that this time because I was filming, but yeah, it's a nice way to, you know, eat the meal quicker. As you can see here, the second 2 slices are done toasting, and I'm just, you know, finishing the spread. This is one of these avocado toast recipes that didn't have a whole, like, an abundance of avocado. Most of my other avocado toast recipes, there's like an abundance of avocado spread, and it's usually like a thick layer. This one, not so much, because the meat isn't really high in volume and the toast has a lot of surface area. So it's more of like a modest spread, which is fine, you know. Still does the job, and it still covers the whole toast, and I think it looks kind of cute. So, you know, no complaints here. And that's pretty much the entire meal. You know, I think this reminds me of like the type of meal a kid would enjoy. You know what I mean? The type of meal that is fun enough for a kid to not feel like they're being too healthy. You know what I mean? But yeah, here's the price per meal breakdown and the nutrition facts. I hope you liked it. I hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Send the video to your mom. Send the video to your best friend. Put down a comment. Tell me if you thought the meal was good or bad or neutral. And yeah, see you later. Bye.